How to fix Elden Ring? The code execution cannot proceed because Steam api64.dll was not found. For this first step, we need to open up Steam, click Library, click Game, right click it, click Properties. This page will appear. In this, you need to click Install File, click Verify Integrity of the game file. Wait for a couple of seconds because it's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once it reaches 100 percentage, after that it will throw up the message successfully validate. After move on with next step. If verification does not restore file means uninstall and restart PC after reinstall game. After that come to next step. Search for command prompt, right click run as administrative and type the following text sfc space slash scan now. Click enter. This process will take some time so be patient. Wait for a couple of seconds because it's actually verifying your drives. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. So wait until it become 100 percentage. Once complete after exit it. Type EXIT and exit it. After exiting, restart your device. Thank you.